Welcome to the H2O response team. In this module, your students become hydrologists, investigating our planet's most important resource, water. Ready? Then let's dive in. Your students' first job is to investigate the types and amounts of water on Earth. This introduces the term hydrosphere, which collectively describes all of the Earth's water. These lessons have a strong math connection in line with the requirements of the first performance expectation. Describe and graph the amounts and percentages of water and fresh water in various reservoirs to provide evidence about the distribution of water on Earth. Next, students look at ways humans affect the hydrosphere by creating watershed models. They'll add food coloring, soy sauce, and more to represent pollution from human activities. This is one of the many ways students address the performance expectation. Develop a model using an example to describe ways the geosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere, and/or atmosphere interact. Students then explore examples of real-world water conservation projects. So far, students have mostly looked at water distribution at a global level. Next, they focus on water issues in California specifically. Through this, they'll learn more about Earth's spheres and how they interact. First, students explore the conditions needed for rain through two simple teacher demonstrations, in which you'll create clouds and rain in a jar. In the final driving question, students tackle the module's design challenge to devise a water conservation campaign targeted at the local community.
I like this one because it saves 3,000 gallons, but it doesn't cost anything.
This will check off 3 more performance expectations, all relating to engineering design. They'll focus on ways to conserve water at home, using our Water Savers Interactive to plan and test their ideas. Then they'll be ready to produce their final campaigns. You decide what form this takes. They could make public service videos, perhaps, or create posters. Finally, there's a benchmark assessment, in which teams research, build, and test a water pollution cleanup device, drawing on scientific knowledge from throughout the module and putting their engineering skills to the test. H2O Response Team will leave your students inspired to protect our vital freshwater resources and make sure we don't waste a drop.